Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Here we have a 2007 Honda VT750 Shadow Spirit. This video will do a quick walk around of the bike, then fire it up so you can hear it running. Particular bike's an 07. It's got just over 10,000 miles on it. Front fender's in great shape. Front tire's got plenty of tread on it. See, the forks are clean. And the usual pitting and road grime. Mirrors, bar ends, very clean as well, no rash. Gas tank, it's very sharp, it's got the black with the red flames on there. There's one little scratch through the paint there. Air cleaner. It's got a set of Cobra pipes on there that sound pretty good. All the chrome's still very shiny, no pitting. Seat's in excellent shape, no rips or tears. It's got the custom fenders on there. Rear tire's got plenty of tread. It's a Spirit, so this is the chain-driven model. Chain and sprocket, also in excellent shape. Engine covers on this side, no rash. Other side of the gas tank, there is one good-sized dent in there, which is too bad because otherwise the bike's very, very clean. Alright, let's fire it up here for you. 10,315 for the mileage. See, those Cobra pipes do sound excellent. This bike has received our full 24-point mechanical inspection. Will come with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty and a lifetime parts and labor discount. Thank you for visiting simplystreetbikes.com.